Hey guys, welcome back, and for our Friday rockets, as promised, we are doing our rocket repair episode. I'm really not even sure where to start on this. I guess we can start with the parachute stuff. So I'll put this off to the side. Alright, so where's our damage? This nose cone, like we saw. Did any of these strings come undone? Doesn't look like it. So let me go and grab some super glue and see if we can fix this nose cone so it's one solid piece again. So I got my super glue and I'm just gonna open it up here. Oop, no. Oh yeah. It's a new tube. What can I use to poke it? Here, does this Lego piece work? Let me go get a needle to poke it with. Okay, so I've got my needle. Let me poke here. Poke. Poke. Come on, poke. Oh, it poked. Okay, that's good. I did get a bit of super glue on the needle, so let me just put it there. If you get super glue on yourself, it's not my fault. I guess you don't have a broken rocket, do you? Where did that needle go? We'll worry about it later. So let me just screw this piece back on. Screwed back on. Now, does it come out? It does. So we are just gonna squeeze out a tad. Just, come on. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to not get a massive blob to come out. And, I just did it. I made a massive blob come out. Alright, let's at least spread it. Alright, now let's sit and make it wait. Come on. Alright, let's let it dry. So I've sat here for 5 or so minutes, and super glue worked. There, I can see a kind of crack line, but not falling apart. It's pretty good. Can you guys see a crack line? Okay, so let's get that other rocket piece here. So what happened, I don't even know where to start. So, the fins are good. Oh, that one kind of lost a bit. So let me kind of bend it up a bit. Oop, that was a bit too much. Add some super glue. And let's wait for that to dry. Okay, so what I say we do here is so after this fin, it's all dried, I think I'm just going to pop out this cardboard here, and, it had some pretty cool paint on it. Hate to get rid of it, but that looks like how it's going to go. There's toilet paper tubes. Does that fit our criteria here? For wideness, because it's pretty wide, really wide. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here, because this plastic piece broke here, wasn't able to retrieve it, don't know where it even went. So it's maybe we just cut it off, or maybe we put cardboard inside of it to stabilize it, but if we do that, because if we just grab a cardboard tube, I'm not sure that the nose cone's going to be able to fit in, and that creates more problems. So, you know what, let me go grab a cardboard tube and we'll see what we can do with that. So, seeming as I couldn't find any cardboard for our, it's just too wide, so we'll do a part 2 when everything reopens. I'm just gonna cut this off here. So let me just cut this piece off here. And then I'll see how it fits. So I cut this piece off. It looks so mangled next to this clean cut here. So now I'm just going to take this nose cone that we fixed. Let me stuff the parachute in there. Does it fit? It does. It kind of looks a bit funny. Because like, oh, plastic and... But I think that we did a pretty good job of repairing it. I mean, we can shoot it now. Shoot it off. So we may do a part 2 and try and redo this cardboard piece. But, alright. I think I did a good job there. I mean, it's not, I cut off about 2 inches of height, which you guys couldn't see there. But, well, if you want to see more rocket videos, remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.